Welcome to Studentpreneur Chronicles, the show where we explore the world of real estate, entrepreneurship, and everything in between. I am Louie and I am joined by my co-host,
April Joed.
My name is Erica.
And I am Kizea. Today, we have a special episode where we'll be diving into the world of rental properties with two seasoned entrepreneurs who own a successful apartment complex.
That's right. We'll be discussing their journey as business owners, the challenges they've faced, and the secrets to their success in the rental market.
So without further ado, let's welcome our guests, Mr. and Mrs. Saljan.
Good evening. I would like to ask you a question about business. So, my first question is, how did you start your business?
We started our business a long time ago. It was 20 years ago or more. Your dad's parents, his grandparents gave we inherited a big house, and we put an apartment in the back, apartment and pad houses and our boarding house.
Why did you choose this kind of business?
First of all, it's not hindi ka lugi in that business because just kumbaga dili na kahaguan nga business ba. You have to kuha na lang the monthly income. Just you can eat and sleep na lang in that kind of business.
Okay, and who are your target customers?
Number one are the students that came from far places, that like school like sa Xavier. Our one is malapit lang siya sa Xavier University, our rental business mga apartments. So students ang number one na guest namin.
Okay, and who are your competitors? Like,
Neighbors.
kompetensya?
Yeah, we
All of
have
our
that,
neighbors.
all of our neighbors, because that area
They
there,
have also their business.
halos lahat ng mga business doon is mga rental talaga, mga apartments like that. So that's our
Most of our neighbors.
Okay, and what do you think are your competitive advantage over your competitors? Like, unsa yung advantage sa uban nga
Our
sa
rent.
inyong
first of
business?
all, our rent is more affordable than others and mas fully furnished siya. May mga yung wala sa iba, meron sa amin, for example, aircon, yung iba walang aircon, at saka medyo spacey ang lugar namin. And then we
Cozy.
put
Very cozy.
cozy. Oh,
What are the common challenges and problems you encounter in your businesses?
there are lots of challenges in our business. Number one, the others don't pay kanang itong late sila sometimes, they late, tapos yung iba tatakasan ka. Yun ang mahirap sa business na yan lang. Kasi kahit may security deposit, i-consume nila, tapos may mga bad tenants din na makaka-encounter namin.
Di ka bayad.
Mga di kabayad. So, how was your business during the pandemic period?
It's really difficult. We're struggling because everybody nag-stop sila sa school, nag-stop sila ng rent. They go home, mga students that are renters, they go home to their
Province.
parents because online na yung, so halos wala
Especially kayo nagsilado ang eskwelahan, di ba?
yeah,
Wala na yung kuan.
yeah.
Sayo-
So online naman, so doon kami nag-ano
But we still
talaga.
survive.
Oh, but yeah.
Okay, and what motivates you in your business?
Motivates, we own the property, so
We're lots of money.
we need to, parang hindi na kami mahirapan ba na magano ng business na iba. Yun lang ang magandang, yun ang nakamotivate sa amin kasi
Every month we just
we just
collect the rent.
collect the rent.
So there's no hassle.
And what is your long-term vision for your business?
Our long-term vision is we're gonna expand our business. We need to buy another property and then we will put rental business again.
And for the final question is, what can you advise for the aspiring entrepreneur?
Well, number one, first of all, don't quit. Never quit when you want to have a business. don't quit kay some business is not dili magin yun nga
Ups and downs, yan. Ups and downs.
Wow, ilang business ka nag-start over 20 years ago tapos gi-inherit pa sa parents ni Mr. Saljan. Ano mong thoughts ato, Erica?
Well, their business is nice jud siya, which is ang house rentals. Especially for students nga need og boarding house near sa ilang school. Also, na-mention po earlier about sa challenges nga na-face nila during pandemic, dagan gyud business nga naapektuhan nato nga time. And it's essential gyud to have solid financial plan to ensure ang sustainability sa isang business.
I totally agree with that. And the fact po nga ilang gipadayon ang business sa gi-inherit gikan sa parents ni Mr. Saljan. Very inspiring.
Thank you for that shared opinion, Keziah and Erica. Now, AJ and I are going to share also our opinions about how Mr. and Mrs. Saljan managed their advantages against their competitors. So, what can you say about that, AJ?
Okay, from what we've heard from Mr. and Mrs. Saljan, they maintain their business well by handling it with proper maintenance and setting affordable prices for the renters. That's what the customers are looking for, the affordable prices and the quality. If mayroong advantages sa mga businesses, mayroon din these disadvantages na encounter nila Mr. and Mrs. Saljan. So, partner, ano yung mga disadvantages na narinig mo sa business owner natin?
Okay, so they actually encountered challenges with their renters, with the payment of the bill, the rent, since di talaga natin maiiwasan ng mga tao that doesn't prioritize their payments or responsibilities as renters.
I agree, partner. Di talaga maiwasan na matatagalan ang pagbayad sa rent, lalong-lalo na ang target customer nila ay mga students like us na di agad makakabayad dahil sa mga financial problems. Sa mga ganitong problem business ay ako yung nakakatiyak na pinag-usapan ito ng ating business owners at ang kanilang mga renters kung ano ang mga solusyon sa ganitong problema.
So, after that interview of our chosen business owners, we actually learned something about handling a business. So, for the future entrepreneurs, we have to keep in mind that business has ups and downs, and never give up when business is not going as you expected. Being a business owner takes so much responsibilities and courage to take on risk and never be afraid to make losses. That ends our interview/chika as Studentpreneurs Chronicles Group. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye!